let's try integrating SMS Magic into our Zoho CRM account. First is go to Setup, and under Marketplace, select All. Now, search for SMS Magic. And then select. Now click Install. And in here, you have the option to allow receiving of news and promotions. And you will have to click on the agree to the terms of service. And then click Install. Now click on the agreed terms of service and authorization of SMS Magic Interact. Click Continue. You have the option to install this SMS Magic for admins only, for all users, or you can select particular profiles. But for this example, we will install it for all users. Click Confirm. And now just wait for the completion of the installation, and then you're good to go. Alright, now that we have successfully installed SMS Magic, the status of our installation is now active.